Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am your EVS teacher. Today I am going to continue your chapter number 7, My School. How will you spell student? My SCHOOL school. Student, I have told you in your previous classes that school is a place where we learn many new things. Student, when you go to school, your teaches you how to read, how to write, how to draw pictures, how to color, many good habits and manners you learn in the school. You learn how to play with your friends, how to do sharing. All these things you learn in the school. So school is a place where you learn new things every day. Student, can you tell me which room is this? Yes, this is a classroom. How will you spell classroom? CLASS class ROOM room. Student, this is a place where you spend most of your time. When you go to school, you rush to your classes and you sit in your bench and the teachers come and teaches you. So it is a classroom where you sit and learn many new things, and there is a blackboard where teacher write and explain you. You can see in this picture the students are sitting silently and listening to their teacher. Now next room I have told you is a principal office. It is also known as the principal room. You can see a principal is sitting in her office and doing her work. So principal office means it is a room assigned for the principal where she can sit and do her work. So it is a principal office. Next is, can you guess which room is this? Yes, this is assembly hall. Assembly hall is a large room where we do many meetings, functions, all these are held in the assembly hall. So this is a assembly hall. I have told you about this in the previous classes. Next is library. Now library is a place where large number of books are there. You can go sit there, take your book of your choice and read there. So this is a library where you can go and take the book of your interest, where large books are kept. I hope that student you have understood this much. Now I am going to tell you about some more rooms which are there in the school. Next is staff room. How will you spell staff room? STAFFROOM room. Staff room. Student, it is a room where teachers sit and relax in their free periods. Staff room is a place where teachers sit and relax in their free period. When the teacher are having the free period, when they are not having any period to teach, where will they go? They will come in the staff room, sit there, they do their work, their copy checking work, your book checking, all these things they do in the staff room. So it is a room where teacher can sit when they are free or they want to do their copy checking, book checking work, so they can go to the staff room and do their work. So I am showing a picture of a staff room where many teachers are sitting. You can see that some are talking, some are doing their work. So it is a place where teachers sit and do their work. Along with the teaching, they have to check their copies. So all this activity they do in their staff room. Next is canteen. How will you spell canteen? CANTEEN canteen. How will you spell student canteen? CANTEEN canteen. Student, what is canteen? It is a place where student get snacks and cold drink. Student, this is a place where you can go and take some snacks. You can purchase snack from there and drink. If sometimes it happens that you have missed your tiffin at home, then many school have canteen, means it is a place where you can get something to eat and drink. You can go there, sit there and you can take whatever snacks you want and to drink, you can sit and eat there. So it is a place where the student gets snacks and drink to eat. So next is a playground. All of you know what is playground? Playground means it is a ground where you can play. How will you spell playground? Play, play, ground, ground. How will you spell? Play, play, ground, ground. Playground. Student, it is a place where students play in the games period. Playing keeps us fit and healthy. When you are studying in the classroom, in continue period you get bored, so there is one games period also in between your teaching period, where your teacher take you to the playground where you play freely and play with your friends, and playing keep us fit and healthy. Along with the studies, playing is also very important. So in the school, along with the study, there is 1 or 2 periods for games also, where the student goes to the playground and play there, so that along with the study they are playing with their friends to keep themselves fit and healthy. Now student, can you guess me? Can you tell me which room is this? I have told you now. Here you can see that the children are sitting and having their snacks. So which room is this where the student can sit and have their snacks? Which place is this in the school? Yes, it is a canteen. Canteen, canteen. Next is, which place is this? Yes, as you all know, this is a playground. You can see that the students are playing. There are many swings. They are enjoying there. So, playground is a place where you enjoy very much. All of you are eagerly waiting for your games period, no? Yes, this is a place where you enjoy your game period. Next, I am now summarizing the lesson. A school is a place where we learn new things. As I have told you, school is a place where you learn many new things as you daily goes to school. We learn to play, learn and to share things with our friend at school. When you go to school, you learn how to play with your friend, sharing things. Sometimes it happens that your friends forgot to bring tiffin by mistake or have not brought the pencil, then you do the sharing work. We must keep our classroom neat and clean. Student, you should keep your classroom neat and clean, because you spend maximum time there. So you should keep your classroom neat and clean. We must put rubbish and pencil shaving in the dustbin. Student, while sharpening your pencil, you should throw the shaving in the dustbin. There is a dustbin in every classroom, so you should throw the rubbish in the dustbin. All important meetings and functions are held in the assembly hall. I have told you about the assembly hall. It is a big room where all the important meetings and functions are held. Next is a staff room. Student, a staff room is a place where the teachers sit in its free time and relax and do their copybook checking. So staff room is a room for teachers. Student play in the playground. Where do students go while playing? Student go to playground in their games period to play. Now playing keeps us fit and healthy, and while playing if you are playing, then you are fit and healthy. Along with the study, playing is also very important. So along with the regular period of studying, there is one games period also, so that you can play in the school also. Thank you student. I hope you all have understood about the my school. I have taught there are many places, many rooms in the school for different person and for the different activities. I hope you all have understood what I have taught you in this lesson, and thank you.